Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of seeing a content like this, and if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, my name is Samuel Joshua and this is Zion of Logistics. Here we are like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation business, how you can start your business online, and most especially on e-commerce as well, right? So do want to join our community by subscribing, so YouTube will be able to notify you whenever we post another helpful content like this, right? So in today's tutorial, we are basically going to be looking at how you can make a purchase, right? So in my previous tutorial on idle fish, you want to go and watch it because it's a must watch video. I've recorded tons of videos on how you can register on idle fish, how you can chat your supplier, you can make a purchase, and some other things to avoid when you are buying on idle fish. So in today's tutorial, I'm still going to be making a complete purchase, right? So I've talked about what and things you need to know when you are making a purchase on idle fish to avoid being scammed and to avoid what I ordered versus what I got, right? So we're also available for procurement, we are available for mentorship, we are available if you're having any issues at all when it comes to this idle fish. Do want to reach out to us with the number displaying on your screen, right? So let's dive into the tutorial properly. So I think a student sent me to buy a blender for her, which I'm practically going to be showing you. That is the more reason you need to watch this video to the very end. So I've already charted this supplier, so let me click on this chart icon here. Then I want to scroll down. These are different suppliers that I've already charted. And if you need a supplier, maybe any supplier on idlefish or on 168, if you need their contact, maybe their WhatsApp contact or WeChat contact, you can also contact me. I can help you get it on WhatsApp, right? So this is the blender that I'm going to be buying for my clients today. So let me show you guys the blender to see how it really looks like. So this is the blender here, and this blender is going for just 42 RMB, and it is new, right? So I've already charted the supplier, I've recorded a video on how you can check all these things, so there's no point in just telling you more about this thing. Just go and watch the previous tutorial. So let's continue in buying this item, right? So this is my this is the seller. So I've already negotiated, we've already talked, so I'm not going to be breaking this down. I've already talked about it in my previous tutorial. So if you want to learn how these things work, you can just reach out to me on WhatsApp, right? So now this is the video of the blender. You can see it right here that this is, let me not play it. I'm just trying to show you that I've already made inquiry, detailed inquiry about all and everything I want to know about this product. So I'm going to be buying 10 pieces of this item for my clients. So we can also help you do procurement, any item at all. So if you need any iPhone suppliers, reach out to us on WhatsApp. So let's continue. The next thing we want to do is to click on this orange icon here. Once you click on this orange icon, it's going to be displaying in this format. Now this blender is in three forms. This first one is sold for 42 RMB, and the second one is sold for 145 RMB, and the third one is being sold for 145. So we are going to be going for the one for 142, right? Then we want to select our quality, the pieces we needed. So I'm going to be selecting let me say I'm going to be selecting 11 pieces. Let me say I want to buy 11 pieces here. So all right, this is 11 pieces now, and I want to click on this red icon to complete my purchase and to continue with the purchase. So I'm going to click on this red icon here. This is the breakdown of my total amount that I'm going to be paying. So I'm supposed to pay 462 RMB for this supplier, but before then I want to make sure that my shipping address, remember they are not charging us for any local shipping fee on this website. So the next thing I want to do is to click on this mobile my warehouse address to be sure, because I've already added two different address. So I'm going to be making use of this first one, right? So this is the one that I'm going to be making use of, which I've already selected here. So to be sure that I selected the right warehouse address. Now once you are done selecting, you want to click on this orange guy where I'm presently circling to continue making our purchase, right? So I'm going to click on this guy. It's going to load. It's going to load and takes me to my Alipay where I want to make payments. You can see here that my account has already been connected with my Alipay. I've already recorded a video on this as well. So the next thing to do now is to click on this blue icon here to make my purchase. So here is where I'm going to be inputting my payment password, and once I input my payment password now, the order will be submitted. So I'm going to input my payment password now. So once I input it, the payment will be successful without any, as you can see here that it's telling me to make a fingerprint. So I don't think I needed this fingerprint of 18. So let me just cancel this guy here. So you will see now that you can see that this payment was successful, that I've already bought this item now. So let's go back to our dashboard to see if this payment was successful or not. So let me just go back here. Let me come back to this guy here. I want to come to our profile here. Then I'm going to be refreshing my profile here. Let me refresh it. So you can see that we have one here. So where we have one, this simply means that this item has been paid for. So to be sure that we've paid for this item, we are going to click on this one here. So you can see that this is where to see the breakdown of this order. So if I'm to, let me screenshot. Is there a need for me to screenshot? Let me just click on this item for you to see the breakdown that we've already made a purchase. You can see that we've already made a purchase for this item here, right? So this is the product that we've already made a purchase now. It has shown us that we've already made a purchase now. So within let me go back, within a few hours or within a short period of time, this platform is going to notify this seller that I've already made a purchase. So once they notify it, the seller will automatically pick up this item and deliver it to the warehouse address, right? So these are things you want to know as at when this tutorial is concerned on how you can make your order successfully without any hassle at all. I hope you find value in watching this tutorial. You can see here now that it's showing us. Now let me just screenshot. I want to show you guys that this payment was successful. So let me go to my Google Translator now. So I'll be able to translate this page for you. So you can see that this payment was successful. Now this is where we have all the breakdown of what I've purchased. Now you can see that here we have, under this place we have all, right? Now this is, let me zoom in. You can see now that it's telling me that is what, waiting for seller to ship, right? So now just to confirm that we've made the purchase, right? So in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how to track our item after we must have made a purchase, right? So I hope you find value in watching this very tutorial to the very end. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end, and I will see you in my next tutorial.